Greetings, and welcome to the High Flying Tutors Academy YouTube channel. Today, I'm here to help you with the preparation of the membership fee account. So we are given a question here. Let's start and see how we can prepare and make this membership fee easy and simple. They're saying the following information relates to the Boots and All Rugby Club. Extract from trial balance as at 31st December 2001. Membership fees received 101,000. Membership fees received in advance on the 1st of January 2001, 20,000. Membership fees in arrears on the 1st of January 2001. Remember, arrears means accrued, right? Membership fees in accrued or membership fees accrued. And then the additional information, they say the club had 190 members at the end of the current year. Membership fees accounts to 500 per member per annum, irrespective of the joining dates. So what does this mean? It means if the year ends on the 31st of December and the member join on the 1st of December, we charge 500, right? Let's proceed. And then it says all of the members paid their membership fees for the current year, and some members also paid their membership fees for the next financial year. 8,000 of the membership fees that were in arrears on the 1st of January 2001 must be written off as irrecoverable. During the current year, 20 members joined the club. Each member paid their entrance fees of 50 rand. However, the entrance fees received were erroneously included with the amount of membership fees received and recorded as such. According to the constitution of the club, entrance fees must be capitalized. The error must be corrected. You are required to prepare the membership fee account for the year ended 31st December 2001, clearly indicating the amount received in terms of 2000, 2001, and 2002. Okay, so our current year is 2001. Our previous year is 2000, and our advanced year or next year is 2002. So I want us first to go and prepare the format, right? Let's go to the format of the membership, come back, analyze, and record. Okay, so on the format, here on the format, I'm just going to put amounts that are obvious, that are always there, that are always expected. Number one, on the debit side there, we're going to have what we call accrued income. For membership, accrued income. Accrued income at the beginning, brought down there. On the credit side, we're going to have income received in advance. Income received in advance. Income received in advance there. Opening as well, balance brought down, right? Okay, and then we will have income received in advance on the other side. I'll copy this one. Income received in advance closing balance, which is going to be carried down. Okay, and then And then we will also have income and expenditure. Income and expenditure. Income and expenditure. And then on the other side, we will have bank. We will have our bank, right? And then our bank will be divided into 2,000 and 2,000. 2,000 and then 2001, which is the current year, and 2002, which is the next year, right? And then now, now, let me copy this one up there. Right, and then this one comes here. Okay, and then now okay, and then now from here we will have our accrued income at the end, which is going to be accrued carried down. Okay, and then we'll have credit losses, which is your bad debts, credit losses. Right, and then now I want us to go and utilize this format to record in and prepare our membership fee account, right? So I want us to go back to the question again for analyzing and recording. Okay, here's our question. So number one, if we check up there, they say they've given us our membership fees received. So this is the total bank that we have received, 101,000, right? So that 101,000 is going to be your bank, your total bank. It's going to be your total bank. It's going to be your total bank. And remember, the question says, let's go back to the question. The question says, clearly indicate the amounts received in terms of 2000, 2001, and 2002. That's what we must do because already they gave us the total, right? No problem. And then now, they say membership fees received in advance on the 1st of January, which is the beginning of our year, is 20,000. So we take this 20,000 is going to be our opening balance here of the membership of the income received in advance, 20,000, right? And then when we go back to the question again, let's see what are they say. They also say membership fees in areas. Membership fees in areas on the 1st of January 2001. This is your membership fees accrued, 15,000. This is your accrued income at the beginning, right? So you come this side, you say 15,000. I hope this is easy, okay? And then now, let's proceed with the additional information and see what are they saying. Then the additional information says the club had 190 members at the end of the current year. Okay, membership fees accounts to 500 per member per annum, irrespective of the joining dates. All the members paid their membership fees for the current year. All the members have paid the membership fee for the current year. What does that mean? It means we do not have accrued at the end. That statement means we do not have accrued at the end. So we're going to put 0 on the accrued at the end because we do not have accruals. It is paid, right? All members have paid, right? So it means we do not have accrued income. We don't have the outstanding membership fees to be received at the end of the year. That is the meaning of that statement, right? And then say some members also paid their membership fees for the next financial year, of which they did not give us. It means we have to calculate for that. And then they also say 8,000 of the membership fees that were in areas that were accrued on the 1st of January 2001. In areas, remember, it's accrued, right? Accrued income. So members that were accrued on the 1st of January 2008, 8,000 must be written off, right? So let's go and see what's happening. So 8,000 must be written off. We are writing off 8,000 here, right? Remember, we are writing 8,000 here, and remember that the members that were in areas at the beginning of the year was 15,000. It means the difference have paid. The difference paid, right? So I'm just gonna put it there. Just gonna put it there, right? So it means the difference is gonna be 15,000 minus 8,000. So 7,000 rent was paid from the accruals of the previous year, right? And then we're gonna need also the money for the current year, and then of the next year as well, right? So let's see. Okay, now what else do we need? This one covered, but we need 1, 2, 3, right? And 4. Okay, so now let's go back to the question. It will guide us, because people, in order for you to understand membership, like, information is just given. You need to understand what you are dealing with, right? So now let's see. And then they say, during the current year, 20 members joined the club. Each member paid their entrance fees of 550 rand. However, the entrance fees received were erroneously included with the amount of membership fees received. I'm going to stop there. Let's go back to the answer sheet, because they are basically saying the 1,000 of entrance fees is included here, and we need to take that 1,000 out because it doesn't belong to membership. It belongs to the entrance fees, right? So let's go to the answer sheet, and I want to show you how we deal with this. So now, remember, in membership fees that are received are recorded on the credit side, and then membership decreases on the debit side. So we're going to decrease the entrance fees of those 20 members on the debit side of membership fee account, right? So I'm going to say in brackets the 20 members, right, multiply by 50 rand. And then I'm getting 1,000 rand, right? This is me minusing the 1,000 that was added wrongly in the membership fee that was received, right? And then I'm correcting that error, because the question, when it continues, it says the error must be corrected. So we are correcting that error. Are you with me? And then now let's proceed. Let's proceed. So now we are done with that one, right? So let's go and see. We are left to, we need to calculate, income received in advance and the income and expenditure. So the income and expenditure, it is going to be calculated by the number of members that are currently registered with the club multiplied by the membership fee per member per annum, right? Let's go and check that. In the question there, they're saying the club had 190 members at the end of the current year, right? So it means we have to come this side. Let me see, I'm gonna just open brackets there and say 190,000 multiplied by multiplied by, and then they said membership fee per member is 500, remember? And then now, how much is our income and expenditure? How much is our income and expenditure? Let's go to our calculators there and say 190,000. I mean 190 members multiplied by 500 rent. I got 95,000. So 95,000 is our income and expenditure, right? So 95,000 is our income and expenditure. Okay, so now, what is that is missing? What is missing is these two banks here, right? And in an income received in advance. But remember, our credit side is complete because we don't have accrued income, and then we have our total bank. So it means we must balance. So the bigger side is going to be our credit side with how much? Let's see. So it means we have to say we're calculating the credit side, right? It's gonna be 20,000 plus 101,000 plus 8,000. I'm getting 129,000, right? 129,000. 129,000. Even on the other side, 129,000. Okay, 129,000, right? And then now we're going to take 129,000 minus our income and expenditure, minus 1,000, minus 15,000. We will get our income received in advance. Let's do so. 129,000 minus 95,000 of income and expenditure, minus 1,000 of entrance fees, minus 15,000 of accrued income at the beginning. And then I'm getting 18,000. 18,000. Right. And then this 18,000, remember, is for them, it was paid in 2001 for 2002. So this 18,000, it must also come here. Is a bank for 2002 as well. Right. So now we are good there. Now, what is that is missing? It's the membership fee received for 2001, which is our current year. So it means we just have to take the bank, right? The total bank, we minus our 7,000, and then we also minus our 18,000. We will get our current year bank or membership fee received for current year, which is going to be 101,000 minus 7,000 minus 18,000. Then we get 76,000. That is your membership fee account. It has balanced. It means now you had how many? You had a missing figure. A missing figure was income received in advance. Income received in advance. Income received in advance at the end, and also the current bank. And the current bank, those were missing figures, right? And then this is your membership fee account. You see how easy membership is. Very, very easy. Membership, very easy. So these two were missing figures. That is why I'm highlighting them for you. So membership is very, very easy. You don't have to struggle. Membership is very, very easy. I hope you guys will enjoy this session, or you have enjoyed this session, and I believe that you will understand the membership better from now on. Thank you. Salute.